My fellow Lions, Dr. V here with the weekly Friday update report. Very, very, very good news again as we're starting to open up as by Governor Murphy. We got tentative New Jersey youth soccer guidelines to begin practice sometime in midsummer, and day camps can open sometime July 6th or beyond. Unfortunately, our Kids Choice program will not be available this summer due to Kids Choice not being able to sufficiently be able to staff their camp personnel as well as meet certain COVID guidelines. That announcement will be coming out a couple days, but I wanted to get it on this PSA announcement as well. Again, the Kids Choice summer program for summer of 2020 will not be taking place due to staffing issues and COVID guideline issues for Kids Choice, but they will be available in the fall when school opens. Positive thinking when school opens. So with that said, let's get to the updates. Updates for today. Usual meal pickup this Monday, June 8th, 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Please be reminded that we will be doing these meal pickups all through the summer. So every Monday through the summer, we'll be doing these meal pickups with the exception of the July 6th Monday. That will be Tuesday, July 7th, but we'll bring you up to speed as we get closer to that. Please remember to go on and register your pre-K student, or if you know someone that has a pre-K student, please pass the word out to register them online. Virtual broadcasts. We had a tremendous virtual broadcast on June 3rd, the GHS Music Awards. You'll see a little snippet of that shortly. Tonight, big deal. Our June 5th, tonight, 7 o'clock, CSS, the little guys, our Cubs, are going to be doing their spring concert. Can't wait to see that. And then, of course, this Monday, June 8th, will be the GMS virtual graduation. June 9th, GHS Baccalaureate. June 10th, CSS Moving Up ceremony. That's the third grade graduation ceremony. And June 11th, the virtual high school graduation ceremony. And remember, they're only the virtuals. We're going to have our traditional graduation ceremonies for grade 8 and grade 12. That's coming up on a slide shortly. Also, please complete the DOE parent survey that I sent out to you the other day via email. If you could complete that, I believe the deadline is this Monday, June 8th. The state and the city and the county, quite frankly, would be very appreciative of that. All right, very important. Updated graduation date survey is coming out. We sent one out earlier when we didn't have good detail. Since Governor Murphy has decreed that graduation ceremonies can take place beginning July 6th or beyond, the Administration Board of Education and District want to send out an updated graduation survey to nail down exactly what the majority of the families want. So, the parents of grade 12 and grade 8, survey is going to be coming out. If it hasn't come out already this morning, it's going to be coming out sometime this afternoon if it hasn't come out already. And here are the dates that are proposed. GMS, the middle school, will be Tuesday, July 21st at 6:30 p.m. Rain date Wednesday, July 2nd. Or Tuesday, August 18th, 6:30 p.m. Wednesday, August 19th, 6:30 p.m. as a rain date. You will have to choose one of those two dates in the survey. High school, GHS, Friday, July 24th at 6:30 or 8 p.m. This is very important. We are adding a second question to the high school graduation. We would really like to give the class of 2020 a special send-off and do it under the lights. We really believe that'll be something special that they will never forget, and it will really, really be something memorable for everyone. So you will be asked which time you prefer, 6:30 p.m. or 8 o'clock p.m. under the lights. The rain date will be for Monday, July 27th, again 6:30 or 8, or the August dates, Friday, August 21st, 6:30 or 8, or the rain date Monday, August 24th, 6:30 or 8. Please complete the survey by next Friday, June 12th, so we can tally the results and get planning ASAP. So looking forward to these traditional graduations, especially under the lights. I think that will be very special. All right, this was our last week of morning news. So proud of our CSS, GMS, and GHS news teams. They did such a great job over the remote COVID pandemic. And this September, it's going to expand even more. But for this last week, the last week for CSS, Olivia Rogers did a great job anchoring. Josephine Gismondi, Ethan McManus, Gianna Kaufman, Quinn Ritchie, Riley Ndesiak, and our flag salutes. Wrapping it up, who better than the Gorman family? And a special, special thank you to all the work and all the hours of editing and putting together this wonderful remote program. Thank you, Mrs. Barth, and thank you, Mathman, for all your contributions. Tremendous, tremendous job. So much appreciation to Mrs. Barth and Mathman. Last week for the GMS remote team. Thank you, Holstroms, Zoe, Alex, and Mrs. Holstrom for filling in when the kids couldn't. And this week, Olivia Carpenter and Olivia George. Wonderful, wonderful job. Can't wait to see how the news team expands this September. And remember to check them out on our weekly email blast. The links will be available as well. And of course, the varsity, the ones that started it all off this year. First time ever in Gloucester history that we had morning news instead of the morning announcements over the loudspeaker, and it was the Lions Pride News Network. They made history, and they are trailblazers. Thank you, Mr. Young, Nikki B., Maddie C., Gavin C., and Maddie D. You guys will be truly, truly missed. Great, great trailblazing. And of course, our editor, Mr. Driscoll. Thank you so much, LPNN. Some Lion shout-outs. We had our APR teachers deliver some goodie bags to our wonderful Art Lions. We had some coaches visits during the athletic award ceremony. Our Lady Lions basketball team and Lions football teams were paid a visit by their coaches. And the June athletes, in this case, athletic team of the month, none other than our girls bowling team, 40-0, undefeated Group 1 champs. Congratulations, ladies, on being the athletic team of the month. And I mentioned earlier about our Lions shout-outs and the GMS Music Awards. What a wonderful performance. Here's a little snippet. Enjoy.
Musical Lions family, Mr. Young here, comes to you with my presentation for the annual musical awards. My apologies to each and every one of you, especially seniors who couldn't do this in person. I'd love nothing more than to see all your smiles and hear your beautiful voices. But this is we got what we got. So here we are. I want to give a special thanks to every single one of the students who are a part of the music department, whether it's during chorus choir, select choir, indoor percussion, color guard, concert band, or marching band, or any other music organization we have here at the school. It's a real honor to be able to work with all of you, and special thanks to parents out there who support students be involved in music organizations, especially the band parents organization. Most of the things that indoor percussion and marching band and all these groups do would not be possible without the incredible dedication, time, energy, and hard work of the band parents and the Band Parents Association. So special thanks to Ms. Rutterow and the entire team. There's too many of them to name. I don't want to miss any, but I know Ms. Rutterow is at the top of it. She's trying to organize a lot of things. So thank you to each and every one of you for everything you do to help make our musical organizations flow. I also want to be that is music. Peace and love to all of you. Have a wonderful summer. I'll see you when we all get back. Go Lions.
Hey there, Lions. I just wanted to take a couple of minutes to thank all of our choir members from this past year, 2019-2020. interesting to say the least. And I would be remiss if I didn't take time to thank each and every one of our choir members for all of the extraordinary work that they've done this past year. Again, our winter concert went off amazingly well. Our caroling that we did, again, brought joy to so many people. Again, I was receiving thank you emails and conversations in the hallway from the faculty about how they look forward to that every single year, and this year was no exception. And thank all of our seniors that were in choir this year. We had Gabrielle D'Onofrio and Samantha Coyle, Bailey Malinowski, Dorena Rouse, and Gabriel Wallace. Thank you, seniors, so much. I appreciate all of the work that you put in this year and all the years before, leading up to the senior year. And remember, just because you graduated doesn't mean music has to leave. Look for it, find it, bring it there. Again, thank you to our Gloucester family, community, parents, students. Hopefully you have a wonderful summer, and we'll see you all come September.
Hello, Mr. McCormack here to present my portion of the 2019-2020 Music Department Awards. This year, our awards, like so much else, are virtual, but no less an opportunity to celebrate our achievements and to give a proper and wonderful send-off to the class of 2020.
Awesome work. Thank you, Mr. Young, for putting that together. And thank you, Music Lions, for, again, trailblazing and doing tremendous work and setting the bar so high. Can't wait for this September to see what the Music Lions have in store for us. And of course, our 8th graders, they got their graduate signs. Of course, we got Leo the Lion here. Very good. And the 8th graders got their lawn signs for graduation. Well done and congratulations, 8th grade class of 2020. Upcoming events, don't forget, tonight, spring concert, and June 10th, 3rd grade Moving Up ceremony. We got 8th grade graduation coming up this Monday. And the high school has a whole litany of things coming up. We had the music awards on June 3rd. The final walkout will not be done June 5th because we're going to be doing that physically, traditionally. And then the rest of the stuff will start June 8th with the senior picnic, baccalaureate, and culminating with the graduation virtually on June 11th. Please remember to do the online registration for pre-K. Don't forget, if you have problems, we have the tutorial video that's available on the website. And again, Mayor Spencer has asked us to remind everybody to please fill out the 2020 United States Census. You can put this on pause and follow the instructions, or just contact Ashley Hagan at the below contact information. Class of 2020, so excited to get these survey results back. Please don't forget to fill them out. If they're not out already, they will be out sometime this afternoon. Please have them ready and completed by next Friday, June 12th. I want everybody to have a wonderful weekend. Have a great Friday night. And we will see you at the lunch meal distribution on Monday, June 8th. And do not forget, complete that survey for the new graduation dates, especially under the lights for the high school. I think that's going to be very, very special. And also don't forget to watch the virtual broadcast, June 8th, GMS graduation, June 11th, GHS graduation. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And as always, go Lions.